here's how we do struts.
So you really only need 3 tools to do this. 4 actually, I guess technically. You need a 13 mil for the top bolts. You need an 18 mil for these 2 short boys, and then you need an 18 wrench for the back of the through boy. So, you got to be able to hold both sides. You also need a spring compressor and a specialty tool to actually get the shock and strut separated. But if you don't have those, you can just take your shock and strut combo to a shop and pay them like probably next to nothing, and they'll do it for you. Brief warning about compressing struts on your own. The springs are designed to hold the entire weight of a vehicle, so when you're compressing them, you're putting a lot of force on them. Make sure you know what you're doing and you're using the proper tools. Make sure you don't actually loosen the nut at the top of the strut without compressing the spring. You can hurt yourself really, really easily. So if you don't know what you're doing, just take the strut and spring combo to a shop with the new strut or the new spring or whatever and ask them to switch it out for you. Because it's better to pay someone else to do it the right way than to hurt yourself trying to save some money. I'm super smart and forgot to film when I was taking the old springs off, so I can't exactly show you what to do there, but it's pretty much just the opposite of what I'm doing here. So what you have to do is you got to compress the spring. This is to install. You got to compress the spring, then you shove the strut through it and tighten the bolt down to the top. That's pretty much it. When you're compressing it, make sure you've got something to hold it together. I use like a 3/8 extension to keep it from sliding left or right. I showed you the assembly process of putting the strut and the spring together, and now I'll show you how to bolt it in. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's 3 bolts on the top, 3 bolts on the bottom. Don't worry about getting them tight just yet. Just leave them loose for now. The 3 on the bottom look like this. So we've got 2 here and here. And then we've got kind of like a squish nut here. Got washers on it and everything. Nice and tight. Alright, so the first thing you want to do if you're going to remove it, and the last thing you want to do when you're done putting it all together, is go ahead and pop your brake line here, and I believe this is a brake pad sensor in here. If you're taking that apart, you want to pop these out. Let's see how it looks when it goes back down on the ground. Looks pretty good. It's a lot stiffer now too. It's good. Cool. Hey!
Thanks for watching.